I'm Joost and today I'm unboxing the Kodak Step Instant Camera. So let's unbox this and see what we get. It's like a pretty weird box with like this cardboard you need to pull off. And then you get to the camera, which is pretty cool and sturdy. It has this retro design, which is really cool. You have this nice cardboard box with a little lanyard in there. The USB to USB-C charging cable. And some promo photos, a 5-pack, little card with how to use it, and a downloadable user manual. So there's no actual manual with it. So let's look at the photo here. So this is a magnet, which is pretty cool, a magnet lens protector. Then you have the cool design right here, a little flash on button and a timer, and the button to make a photo. So let's start using this. You just charge it with the USB cable, and then once it's charged, you just open up the back latch and then insert the zinc photo paper, and you can immediately point and choose what you want to take a picture of. And the quality is really pretty good. So you have a really cool picture in 2x3 format.